Hey guys, look who showed up. It's Watch My Eco. So, nobody else showed up to grudge race, like I said, so we're gonna grudge race.
Yeah.
You're going down, Mr. Eco.
Yeah. I'm a little bit worried about this one. A little bit worried.
He's gonna get gapped for the first time. He always gapped me, and we're done with the gappage.
I had my fun.
You did.
I had my fun.
Now I'm gonna go faster, and then he's finally gonna upgrade some parts and go faster.
Yep.
Because he can't be slower. He doesn't like being slower.
Can't be beat by a P6 Mustang.
Can't be beat. Yeah, that's right. All right, so we're gonna get up here, check the video. Well guys, we had two good passes. We ran an 11.6 and then we ran an 11.8 versus Zach. I'll show you guys the time slips. There you guys go. 11.8 and 11.6.
Adding weight right now.
I pulled back up to where the truck is. We're just coasting in here and all of a sudden I heard a pouch. I ran over something sitting in front of the truck and popped my front tire. So we're done for the night, but I got two 11-second passes in, so it's really too bad, you know, that nobody showed up to race because it would have been fun and they could have seen the set of taillights. But it is what it is. We did run into the limiter now. We're having enough power that we're hitting the limiter in fourth gear, so it's time to upgrade from the 26-inch tire to the 28, and we're gonna get some new front tires obviously put on. We're gonna swap both sides, keep them even. And yeah, do that. But check out the video. It was a great run. Zach and I were literally side by side. He got me off the trees. The only reason he beat me because we still ran a better ET than he did and mile an hour. So this car is a lot of fun how it is now. I mean, running mid-11s, that's nothing to joke about. I think we're gonna up it to 150 shot and get some more. Sad, guys. Aftermath video, guys. There we go. All right, guys, so just to kind of reiterate from last night, we went racing, the night before last we went racing, and I popped the tire. Super happy. We were running 100 shot of nitrous on the car. It made just under 400 horsepower, and we ran an 11.6. So super stoked about that. We actually beat a Zach, aka Watch My Eco, There he is there. We beat Zach's personal best by like 200ths of a second or 3, so he's kind of annoyed at that. But it's all in good fun. He beat me when we did a heads-up race. Caught me sleeping on the line. You guys will see the video of that, right? You already watched it. But coming back in the pits, I popped a tire. Literally, I think I ran over my own fog light, which I already fixed, but still super stoked. 11.6, only on a 100 shot. Bouncing off the line. Like, we got to do suspension work now and dial it all in, because now it has the power to do it. But look out V8s, look out other turboed cars, because we're going to be aiming for the 10s here as soon as I get back.